2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel. This is a top-rated dealer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.